Hey there, welcome to another iPad app first look and review. And this is of course a great app. It's available on computers, PCs and Macs, and it's now really cool to have on your iPad. It's the Google Earth application. Free of charge. Google Earth being a great piece of software to actually kind of see the Earth in different ways. It's very nice. There's of course the location service that actually brings you where you are right now, so you can see it's bringing me right to Montreal. Very important to actually have those maps, those working maps. You do need to have an active internet connection. Maps are not in the app itself, they're not in the iPad, they are from the internet, so you need an internet connection to use this app. It's very important. Without internet, you cannot use Google Earth. So don't think that you'll take your iPad with all those great world maps and go somewhere. The views are nice. This is a satellite view, for example. It lets you see where you are in the world. Very nice. Island of Montreal here. This is where I live, somewhere here. And basically, great little app. You can have the view changed into different other ways. So, for example, here I am in the satellite view, but you can change that and see it in another way, like maps, for example. So depending on what you want, you choose which type of view you want, and just, you know, go into your app and look at where you live and all around you. It's a great way of having an aerial satellite view of where you live, the area you live in the world. Sometimes you are surprised at what is around you, and so it always shows you which part is north of the map, which is always north, is always up. And when you see something interesting, you can actually tap on the map to get a closer view. Of course, if you don't know, not all maps and not all areas of Earth are very clear on Google Earth. There are some areas that are still kind of very weird. So not all areas of the world are covered correctly. Google Earth is a great app. Of course, like I said, it does need internet to work well, so don't forget that. And it's a great way to learn more about the environment around you and know where and what is there around you. And also, you know, learning more about the world we live in, so we can just, you know, pinch here, turn the little globe here into an area of the world and say, well, okay, I want to go somewhere else. Well, it just crashed on me. That is one thing that I noticed about the, by the way, the Google Earth. On many devices, even on my iPod Touch, it tends to crash sometimes. So I believe there's some little incompatibility somewhere, some little bugs in it probably. And as versions get available, new versions, probably this will actually work better and better. But most of the time it works pretty much crash free. So Google Earth, available free of charge on the App Store. Great little app for you know, viewing the world, the world by satellite in a very different way. And I think it's a cool app to show your friends, especially if you have an iPad and even on an iPhone and iPod Touch. Beware, it consumes lots of data. If you look a lot at the pictures from satellite and you are on a 3G or LTE network, it does consume a lot of data. So be careful not to overuse this app if you don't want to get a surprise at the end of the month with your phone bill. Google Alert free of charge on the App Store. If you enjoyed these looks at apps for iPad, iPod Touch and iPhone, click the subscribe button. You can also click the like button, which helps us getting more views on the internet. And if you have any comments or questions, let us know. We'll try to answer any questions. If you have a request of an app, let us know. We'll put it on our list. We have a limited budget for paid apps, so if it's a paid app, we will try to get it on as soon as possible. But since we have a limited budget, we cannot answer all requests all the time. So thanks for watching. Hope you come back to the iPad Apps First Look channel. Bye bye.